You need to use N8N right now. Without a doubt, it is the most powerful workflow automation tool I have ever used. It is open source, you can self-host it for free, and you can literally automate everything. Reading newsletters, summarize articles with AI, refactor code, or like we are doing today, build a custom stock market alert system. If you are not automating your workflows, you are falling behind. Let's start with the basics. You have two options to use N8N. First, N8N Cloud. This is the paid version. They handle the hosting, maintenance and server for you. Second is self-hosted. This is what I am using. You can run it on your local machine, a Docker container, or even a Raspberry Pi. It's free, private and powerful. Here is my setup. I have a custom web application I use to track my investments. It has a live market signals feature under market mode that detects crashes or major growth. The problem, I can't stare at this dashboard 24/7. I need N8N to monitor these signals and ping me on Discord instantly so I never miss a trade. Let's build the workflow. First, we add a manual trigger. This just tells the workflow when to start. Next, we need the data by doing the API call. So I will add HTTP request node. Method is post. I will paste my API endpoint here. For authentication, I am using header authentication. My application already has a feature for API keys, so I am going to use the one which I already generated. Let's create new credential. The name for the header is XAPI key, and I will paste my actual key here. My app expects a JSON body, so let's add that. Click on execute step. Perfect. It fetched 12 market signals. Fetching is easy, notifying is the key. Let's send this to Discord. Add a Discord node. Let's choose send a message. We will use the webhook method for simplicity. Let's create a new credential for the webhook. We need to generate it on Discord. Switch to Discord. Go to channel settings. Under the integrations, click on create webhook. Copy that URL. Go back to N8N. Paste the webhook URL and save it. Let's test with a simple hello message. Type hello. Click on execute step. Boom. 12 messages in Discord. Why 12? Because N8N loops through every item automatically. Hello is not useful. Let's map the real data. In the Discord node, I will drag and drop the message, symbol, and signal variables from the input schema on the left directly into the message box. This binds the dynamic data. We don't have to find the exact variable name. Just doing drag and drop will automatically do everything. Execute it again. Now we have real actionable alerts. Let's also add a Google Finance link for a quick lookup. Now the tricky part. I don't want to trigger it manually every time. So I am going to schedule it to automatically get triggered every 5 minutes. If I schedule this to run every 5 minutes, I will get the same alert over and over all the day. We need a logic check to verify if the alert was already sent or not. If it is not, then only it should send the alert to Discord, else it should not. To achieve this, let's create a unique key. I will add a code node here with JavaScript. Let me paste my code here. It is a simple code that combines the signal type, the symbol, and today's date. Let's call it alertDayKey. Let's execute the step. Now every item has a unique ID for today in the alertDayKey column. N8N has a built-in database called data tables. So let's create a table here. I will create a table with columns, symbol, signal, and alertDayKey. Before sending an alert, we check this table. I add a data table node here. with if row does not exist condition. Let's select the table and select the all condition. Alert key should match the alert key variable. What it will do, if the alert day key already exists, we stop. If it does not exist, we proceed to send the alert to Discord. Finally, after we send the alert, we need to save the key so we don't send it again. I will add another data table node. This time I am going to choose Upsert. It will insert the alert key to our table or update if it is already exist. Let's select the table and in condition, I select symbol and signal type. Based on this condition, it will update the alert day key. Let's execute the step. Boom, it created 12 rows in my table. Let me do some small changes in the flow. Let's execute the complete workflow now. Yeah, here it is. HTTP request node returned 12 items. But we did not receive any message in Discord because we are checking in database and then we are sending if the alert was not sent before. Delete 2 rows manually and run the workflow again. Look at that. It only sent alerts for the 2 missing rows. The rest were ignored. This is just the beginning. You can add AI node as well in middle and get the analysis why the big change in the stock market. Get that analysis as well to the Discord. It supports Google Gemini, Claude, OpenAI. If you want to use the local LLM, yeah, you can do that. It supports Olama as well. Not only that, it supports more than 400 integrations and you can create your own. When I first saw the N8N, I thought it was just another wrapper, but I was wrong. It is complete powerhouse for your home lab or business to create a complete workflow in one place and it runs on your local. Go install it, build something and let me know in the comments what you automate.